Hi, my name is Margreka and I graduated from F.I.R.S.T Institute and I'm a freelance photographer and creative director. Freelancing has definitely pushed me out there to tell me, hey, you gotta do this, you gotta put yourself out there, you gotta connect, you gotta network. One of my first industry jobs I got from my instructor. My time at F.I.R.S.T has given me more than just one beneficial aspect into my business. Learning pre-production and learning post and just being very hands-on. The lighting course that we took, it definitely helped me in my day-to-day using studio lighting for my photography, as well as understanding natural lighting. So the jobs that came to me definitely came about from the work that I went out and looked for. Building my portfolio, connecting with others, and just having a presence. I've gotten the opportunity to work on Forbidden Kingdom, work with a clothing brand, Grateful Apparel. I've been able to be a brand ambassador and partner with Lens Pal, a local rental company, as well as Female Organics. That's a beauty brand that I work with. That's all from just creating a presence for myself. Get the techniques, get the education that you need. Don't give up on yourself and pursue the dreams that you saw so vividly to the point that you were considering taking this path.